this video of LinkedIn marketing course, we are going to talk about a most renowned and very important tool by LinkedIn. And this one is a bit costly as well. And that tool is Sales Navigator. Well, guys, Sales Navigator is the tool that can help your business to grow 1000x, because you can find here the highest quality leads, highest quality clients, which can help you to grow by 1000x. And how you can connect with those clients. Basically, Sales Navigator gives you the access to the top management of any brand, of any organization. So you can directly connect with those peoples and you can directly message them, and you can offer them your product, your service, what you have for them, right? Now, what are the key points of this Sales Navigator tool? Basically, this is a B2B tool, which is business to business tool, and this tool can help you to generate leads, even high quality leads, and the clients which can last up to maybe tens of years for your with your business, right? If you are providing good service or good product, then it doesn't matter that if you are a individual business owner or if you are a small business or mid-sized business owner, this tool can help you. You just need to give some time, you just need to add some effort, provide some effort in order to use this tool and be familiar with this tool and follow the process in order to gain success with your Sales Navigator tool, right? So let's directly jump into the LinkedIn account and learn more about Sales Navigator. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my LinkedIn account. This is my LinkedIn account which I have created in front of you. Now, if you click on for business option, this is the for business option. If you click on this, here you'll be able to see all the options related to business. Now here you'll be able to see the find leads option. You need to click on this, and once you click on this find leads option, you will be able to see Sales Navigator Core. Right, basically LinkedIn provides different plans for individual business owners or mid-size or large-size business owners, right? So you can go through the benefits, that what are the benefits you are getting, like Sales Navigator platform. You'll be getting Sales Navigator platform in core plan, basically Sales Navigator core plan. You'll be getting Sales Navigator platform 50 in mails per month. In mails, basically you can directly send messages through LinkedIn to the top management of any organization, right? So you get 50 credits of that. See who viewed your profile from the last 365 days. So this is the LinkedIn Premiums feature, and you get LinkedIn Premium in your Sales Navigator as well, because when you buy Sales Navigator, you get the premium feature, all the premium features as well, right? This is a packed bundle, you can say. Now, open profile, unlimited people browsing. You can browse unlimited people on LinkedIn platform. Then custom lead and account list, then advanced lead search and account search. 10,000 saves. You can save 10,000 of leads, right? So this is what you can get in this Sales Navigator platform, right? Now what you have to do is you just need to click on this start my free month. Basically you get free month, 1 month free with your LinkedIn account in the Sales Navigator platform, right? So this is how you can get free Sales Navigator tool, and this is for a month, so that you can test the tool properly and you can analyze all the things whether this tool is useful or not, because this tool is a bit costly and it can cost you around 50,000 rupee, which is roughly around $500, not $600 an year, right? So if you can pay up to $600 a year, so you can go with the annual plan. Otherwise you can go with monthly plans as well, right? Which is roughly around $90 a month, right? But I haven't shown you the other plans. Let me go back. I've directly selected that LinkedIn Sales Navigator Core plan, right? So there are many other plans as well. You just need to click on explore all plans, or you can get one more plan, which is Sales Navigator Advanced option, which is basically for mid-size or large-size businesses where you have proper team, as you can see. And the pricing is also changed here for the advanced plan, right? So here you just get an option to share your account with your team. So basically if you are going with advanced Sales Navigator package, so here you'll be getting option, you'll be getting an option to share this account with your team as well, right? So this is the basic difference between the core plan and the advanced plan. Then if you click on explore all plans, you'll be getting more plans over here. This is not about the sales navigator, but this is something different, like career, business, then core we have already talked about, then recruiter lite. So these are other tools which we'll be talking about later, right, in this course itself. So let me just click on this sales navigator core option, and once I click on sales navigator core option, I'll be able to land on this page where I can select the plan. So let me click on start my free month, and I just have to add my card, and once I add my card, I'll be able to basically start my free trial. And if I like this tool, I can continue with the tool by paying just around $90 a month. Otherwise I can cancel this plan as well, and LinkedIn will not charge me anything, not a single penny, right? So let's just start the process. Now you need to add all the details over here. As you can see, I've added the name, I've added the last name, and the card, credit or debit card details. Also you need to enter the credit or debit card details. Although LinkedIn will not charge you anything, but still you need to enter. And once your first free trial month ends, then LinkedIn will charge you the amount, which is which was $90 roughly, right? So it depends on a country basis. In some countries it is a bit cheap, and in some countries it is a bit high, so it depends. So after adding all the details, you need to enter the address and your GST details as well, basically the taxation details. If you want to add, you can add it. I'm in India, so I'm adding the GST, which is the taxation details. I've already added over here. Now once you are done with all the details, please check it properly. If it is properly added, now you can click on the review order button. So let me just click on the review order button over here. All right, so let's click on review order, and once we click on review order, we'll be able to see all these things over here. It is showing that review your order. You can see all the details, your beginning details, your and what are the amount you're going to charge. Let's click on free trial. It is getting processed. It will take few seconds. Now here you need to enter the OTP, and it is said that you will be charged 2 rupees, which is barely a cent. But why it is charging? Basically it will verify your card, that whether it is real or not, right? So it is charging, and it will the amount will revert back to your account as well, so no need to worry about that. So let's enter the OTP and confirm it, and once it's confirmed, your account will be ready. As you can see, it is checking our status, and this is the receipt. The invoice has been generated and your account has been created. Now you'll be able to see that nothing is charged. Totally the amount is zero. As you can see here, balance is zero, right? And this is for the first month. You can click on go to sales navigator in order to directly visit the sales navigator option. You can check your mail. You will receive a mail as well. Let me click on social. Yeah, as you can see here, LinkedIn sales. Click on this mail, and here you can see activate your account now. So I can directly click here. Also I can go to that invoice and click on the go to sales navigator option as well. So it totally depends. Now as you can see, welcome to sales navigator Hitesh, and blah blah blah, some extra things over here. Now click on get started, and once we click on get started, here we'll be able to see some leads which are related to our business, which are related to our work basically, right? So here you will be able to see some individual accounts and the company accounts as well. So you can see, as you can see, first degree, second degree, third degree connection, right? So I've already told you about what are first, second and third degree connections. Even you can see the companies as well. And here we do have Class Plus, which is a renowned company or renowned brand in India. So let's save this one. Even I wanted to connect with the top management of this brand as well. So let's save this and hit the next button, right? Once we click on next, so once we click on next button, we'll be able to see, let's find the right leads. So directly click on go to search results, And once we click on go to search results, we'll be able to see a dashboard like this after clicking the home button, right? So as you can see, this is the proper dashboard where you'll be able to see all the alerts and all bookmarks, and here your priority accounts, right? So in priority accounts, we have already saved Class Plus, and here we do have few more brands as well. And if I click on view decision makers, so I'll be able to see the top management who are the decision makers for this brand or the organization. As you can see, Chief Technology Officer, VP of Engineering, Head of Performance Marketing, and Chief Technology Officer. So all of the top management of the brand is here. Now I can directly connect with them. I can offer them what I have to offer, my service or my product, and if they like it, they will give me the business, right? So this is the simple process of using Sales Navigator. Basically, this is the simple aim of using Sales Navigator. Right, so this is the pure data which you are getting through Sales Navigator. That's why LinkedIn is charging so much high. Right now, let's say this is the person, Chief Technology Officer. If I click on save button, I'll be able to directly save this contact. Otherwise, if I click on this three dot icon, I can connect, I can view profile, I can message them. So whatever the thing I want to do, I can do it. Even I can see on a connection basis, first degree. If I select this person, I'll be able to see the first degree, second degree, and group members. So all the options are here, right? Basically, what are the connections I want to see of this person, I can do that. Even I can filter on an industry wise as well, e-learning, technology, education, all of the main things are over here. Now even in the current company, Class Plus is already selected, but tons of other companies, top brands of the world are here with I can connect with, right? Now obviously, as I already told you, that Sales Navigator is a B2B business, yes, B2B tool, and this will help you to find the best quality leads. So these are the best quality leads, right? You can directly connect with the top management of any company. So let's connect with the marketing person of this Class Plus brand. If as you can see, I have saved. Now here I'll be able to see. So this contact is come under my list, and as you can see, some similar leads at Class Plus. So these are the similar connections with whom I can connect with, right? Now after getting save, I can message them directly. Even I can offer the thing what I have, right? My product or my service, or I can just directly start with the conversation, and gradually I can talk about my product, right? I can directly, if you don't want to directly talk about your product, obviously you shouldn't directly talk about your product or services, right? Because the person is also a human, so you need to start with the small talk and then start with the things. Now click on accounts, and if we click on accounts, we'll be able to see the information related to accounts. As you can see, apply filters to find accounts. So basically we can use the filter to find out the accounts. Basically we are paying for this filters only, right? As you can see, annual revenue, on annual revenue we can search, on a company head count we can search. As you can see, I've selected 200 to 500, so I'll be able to see all the companies who have 200 to 500 employees, right? Now I can go with the location base or tons of other things. As you can see, 110,000 results are here. So you know that how much potential this Sales Navigator tool has, right? You just need to find out the way that how you can use Sales Navigator in order to find high quality leads and clients, right? You shouldn't miss this tool. Even this is free totally, so you can try for the first month. So as you can see, if I click on home button, I'll be able to see that totally everything is blank over here. So if I click on accounts or if I click on leads, I'll be able to see related to the details, right? If I click on coach, as you can see, Sales Navigator coach option is over here, and I'll be able to see that we can do, basically we can perform these actions. We can send in mail or message directly, right? And how we can get 5x higher revenue, everything, right? Then how we can conduct an advanced lead search, then how we can save a search, and then this mobile application as well. Yes, Sales Navigator has a different mobile application, right? You can install that thing as well. So you need to practice all the things. you need to understand that how Sales Navigator is going to help your business, right? Every business needs leads, good quality leads and good quality clients, obviously, right? So for your salesperson, or basically for your sales team, you should use this Sales Navigator. Basically, you should subscribe the Sales Navigator, or you can directly check out this tool first for the first month, and then you can subscribe for your team, right? Let me click on accounts, and I'll be able to see that I've already only one account in my Hitesh account. And if I click on leads, I don't have any lead over here. Obviously, we have just started. If I click on messaging, we'll be able to see all the messages over here, but we haven't started any messaging over here, right? But when I start gradually, obviously when I start gradually, I'll be able to see the results, right? And obviously I'll be able to see the replies from those top management of the brands, and then I can start the conversation further. Basically, I can go the let the conversation go further, right? So this is what the process is you need to follow. Let me click on home again. So here's one more option as well, like I can directly search the keywords over here. Let's say I want to add marketing head. Let's add marketing head, right? And just hit the search button, and you'll be able to see all the marketing heads from the different companies, different brands. Basically, I'm searching the profession, right? Basically the profile, marketing head. As you can see, head of digital marketing, head of marketing, right? So this is how I can directly search the keywords, and I'll be able to see all the marketing heads, or I'll be able to see all the basically search preference I have searched over here. Even I can apply the filters, and I can find out the best head of marketing from this tool, right? So what you have to do is you just need to subscribe for the free trial. You have 1 month. Just try this tool, and if you like this tool, if this tool is helping your business, helping you, you can go further. But if you're not liking the tool, and I'm sure you will like the tool, and as you can see here, there's one more option as well, that give 2 month free of Sales Navigator. Basically, you just need to refer this tool to someone else. If any other business owner you have, business owner friend you have, you can directly refer them, and if they subscribe the tool, you will get 2 extra free months. This is also an option to use this tool for free, right? You have already got 1 month, and you can get 2 months extra using this option, right? So I hope you got the point, right? So let's wrap up this video here. I hope you understood how you can use this Sales Navigator option, basically Sales Navigator tool, and I hope you got the point that how this tool is going to help your business. So comment down below that I'm using this tool, or I'm just subscribing this tool for the free month, or for the first month. That's it. So let's wrap up this video here. We'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.